Most people would look at your little deal and your earnest money as a dead carcass. I don't want to deal with that. But guess what animal eats a dead carcass all day long? An alligator. An alligator will eat a dead carcass. I will make $5,000 on that $1,500 transaction. $5,000. If I was a lender at 10% or 12% and I loaned $5,000 on, let's say, a credit card or a line of credit, how much money would I make at 10%? What we're going to talk about are some really cool ways that no matter who you are, no matter what resources you have, you can actually become a Gator lender. And tonight, the main topic is either A, how do I find Gator lenders, or B, how do I become a Gator lender? Because I feel like if I'm brand new to real estate and I don't even have money for wholesale and marketing and all that kind of stuff, I actually can become a Gator lender. And you're going to go, wait, I'm 18. How do I do that? Wait, I've never been a lender. Wait, I don't have enough money. I'm going to show you guys exactly how this is done. So this is the personality types. Do a little screen share for you. Here's the personality types. Let's go through them one more time. We've got the whale, right? And the dolphin. So the whale, leave me alone, pay me my returns. I'm not in business of making money. I'm in the business of preserving money. They're usually at 7 to 10%. There's all the details of them. Then we've got the dolphin, completely different personality, completely different place you find them, completely different interest rate, completely different goals. Swimmer, most of my investors that invest with me are actually swimmers, people that invest with me specifically because they want to learn my deals, how I'm finding them, how I manage them, what my team is doing. Sharks, there are sharks out there that are lending money. These are people that are doing deals already, but they don't have enough deals, so they're lending money and getting into other people's deals, okay? Now, a Gator. Okay, a Gator lender is a transactional lender, somebody who's funding on a transaction very quickly. They're coming in and getting chunks. You guys notice there's not really an interest rate here because they are lending based on chunks. They make a lot quickly and they do a ton of transactions. They're in and they are out. So let me tell you a couple of for instances. I've got a handful of these deals going on right now. Multiple ways that you can be a transactional lender or a Gator lender. Gators are both in the water, out of the water. They do both. Number one, I have somebody right now that I'm lending literally $1,500 to. I'm lending $1,500 to them for one purpose. The purpose of me lending $1,500 to them is for what? Why do you guys think I'm lending somebody $1,500? There you go, EMD. Somebody got into a deal that they're super excited about and they don't have the money for the earnest money. Okay, so a lot of you guys that are brand new, you don't know what earnest money is. If I'm a wholesaler and I go to a real estate agent or a real estate or a seller, and I get into a contract with that seller, me and this seller get into a contract that says, I'm going to buy this house for this dollar amount. Every single contract is going to state earnest money. Means in order for me to actually start the transaction, I need to put $100 down, $1,000 down, $5,000 down. A lot of times it's 1% of the purchase price. You have to go and open escrow. So take this contract down to a title company, hand it over to a title company. They begin the transaction and all the searching and all the title work, but they're going to require you to put down whatever your contract says of earnest money. Here's the thing that I can do with transactional lending. Okay, I can fund people's earnest money. So I've got an earnest money deal right now where the wholesaler needed $1,500 to cover his cost to get into the deal. Okay, $1,500. How much money would I make if I was going to earn 10% of that over the course of a year? All right, so if I earn 10% on that, $1,500 over the course of a year, it's not really worth my time. Most big lenders, like hard money lenders, private money lenders, they don't want to waste their time with a $1,500 little lending fee. Gator lenders or transactional lenders, lenders that are coming in and out, most people would look at your little deal and your earnest money as a dead carcass. I don't want to deal with that. But guess what animal eats a dead carcass all day long? An alligator. An alligator will eat a dead carcass. I will make $5,000 on that $1,500 transaction. $5,000. If I was a lender at 10% or 12% and I loaned $5,000 on, let's say, a credit card or a line of credit, how much money would I make at 10%? At 10%, I'd make $500 for the year. Is that worth my time? It's not enough. Most big lenders, hard money lenders, private money lenders, are they going to waste their time on a $5,000 deal? No. And so a Gator lender, somebody that comes in and will look at a dead carcass or an animal that nobody else wants to eat, an alligator will actually come in that water temporarily, pull that out, or they'll even go into the water and bring it down to the bottom of the water, and they'll eat something somebody else is not willing to eat. They'll make use of a deal and they'll actually get that transaction completed. So the Gator lenders are incredibly important. A lot of people don't talk about this because they don't know about it. Now, let me tell you a couple of deals. Listen to this. It's going to psych you out. This takes about a year to build up to this. If you become a Gator lender, it takes about a year to get up to this level. If you build up a line of credit, and I'll show you guys how to build up a line of credit here in a second, you guys can work up to this type of transaction. I currently have somebody, it's a wholesaler, working on a big portfolio. Portfolio is a large chunk of homes. I think it's like 112 homes in the North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia area over there. They are taking down a massive portfolio of houses, seller finance, with a down payment. They don't have enough money for the earnest to open the transaction. And so they need $212,000 to cover their earnest money on that deal. What do you think I'm charging for that deal? You think I'm charging a percentage? You guys think I'm charging a percentage? I'm actually getting 2 houses from this transaction. I will own 2 houses out of this transaction of me coming up with the $200,000. I will also earn $10,000 in return, and I'm negotiating 5% ownership of their entire portfolio. Guys, there are way more ways to make money in real estate than you can even comprehend.
Hey, how's it going, Pace?
I'm good. Hey, so you and I are working on a deal right now where you are having me fund $50,000 to you. Is that correct?
That's correct. Yep.
Be honest, everybody. How much am I charging in interest?
Be totally honest.
Be totally honest.
0.
Okay, but why am I doing that?
Because you're amazing.
I know that, but here's the thing. I'm going to tell you the truth of why I'm lending $50,000 to you for free. Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm going to do this in front of 1,000 people. Why am I doing this? One, you're a newer student of mine and you're doing the Morby method. And I want to help you get through that transaction so that you can turn around and help hundreds of other students. And I imagine since you joined Sub 2, you feel the love and the adoption, like people adopted you into the Sub 2 family like very quickly, right?
Oh, 100%. Yeah. Yeah.
The reason why they did is because since day one, I've been lending to people for free. I've been helping people's deals get done, jumping in, calling sellers, doing all that kind of stuff so that I can turn people like you, Heather, into leaders. And ultimately you will turn around and help me grow this community. That is the ultimate goal.
Yeah.
The larger the community, the more people are doing deals together. Heather, where did this deal come from? Did it come from somebody else or did it come from you?
Yeah, it came from another student.
Okay, perfect. That's what I wanted to hear. So the deal came from another student. This is why the Sub 2 community dominates all other real estate communities, because you can find your deals in there. You can find lenders in there, contractors in there. So what I want to do, I want you to understand, do you know where my $50,000 is coming from?
From Gator Lending?
Well, Gator Lending is a method, but Gator, the $50,000 I'm giving you actually came from a line of credit. It's not going to cost me any money.
Nice.
So the line of credit is what I'm going to teach you guys how to go do on your own so that you can insert yourself into deals like this. I'm going to pull up a handful of people that I recently helped go out and get a line of credit. So you see all these, do you guys see these dollar amounts right here? 23 grand. 15 grand, 12 grand, 11 grand, 9,500. These are all lines of credit that I've helped people. Look, this one's at $2,100. I helped somebody get a $2,100 line of credit. Here's another one, $3,000, $3,000, $53,000, right? So it's very simple. What I want you guys to do is I'm going to show you guys and walk you through how to get a line of credit. Could be $2,000, could be $5,000, could be $15,000. And I'll teach you guys how to do all of this. I teach you guys how to not only get a line of credit for like $2,000, even if you have somewhat piss poor credit. I'm going to show you guys how to find the people. What do you guys think it would cost me to have my attorney draft up all the lending documents so you can go out and start a Gator lending business? Right. It's not 25 grand, guys. It's probably going to cost me anywhere between $4,000 and $7,000. I will give the lending documents to anybody so that when you lend to a wholesaler, you lend to a realtor, you lend to somebody on a probate deal, you lend on a larger deal, you understand how to protect yourself and also insert yourself into the actual transaction with the title company. So you're guaranteed to get paid. I'm so freaking excited about this with you guys.